Hey guys, and welcome. Today I'm going to talk about the element deletion. A lot of guys asking me how to delete an element in Abacus. Here's a simple solution. First, you need to use newer versions of Abacus, for example 2019 or 2020. Next, you need a UMAT. For this, you can use either the USD-FLD subroutine or the UMAT. I am using UMAT for this video. So you need to define the DD-STD matrix and the stress-strain relation. Next, you need to define the element deletion procedure. For example, you need a criterion for element deletion. I am using the stress criterion. For example, when my stress is equal to say 7E4, I can delete an element, or I want to delete an element. So I'm using the state V number 1 to see when the element has reached the 7E4. Next, I am using the state V2 for element deletion. I am using 0 for deleted element and 1 for elements that are active. For example, if an element is going to be deleted, I am switching the state V2 for that element to 0. My next problem is that how can I make Abacus to use the state V2 for element deletion? Here's a simple answer. In property module, when you are defining the material, you must tap the option depvar and use this variable number controlling element deletion to the state V number. For example, I am using the state V number 2 for element deletion, so I set the state V number 2 here for the element deletion. When I run the job, I can see that the elements are going to be deleted when the stress reaches the 7E4. I can see that the elements that has passed the 7E4 are deleted. But here's a tricky part. I can see that when my nodal stresses has passed the 7E4, there are no elements deleted, but they are deleted after the 7E4. So here's the tricky part. When I see the integration points, I can see that there are no integration points passing the 7E4. Also, for the next increment that my legend says that the stresses is 8E4, I can see that only some of my integration points has passed the 7E4. So now Abacus sees that these elements have to be deleted, so the Abacus deletes them for the next increment. But there's more to it. Abacus deletes an element when all the integration points has reached or passed the 7E4. So as you can see, these elements are not deleted, but for the next increment, these elements are deleted. So here's the tricky part. Also, you can use the USD-FLD subroutine for this matter, but I am recommending the UMAT subroutine for this subject. This concludes our video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you.